Hey, welcome to another Topic Tuesday. This is Dr. Mike McCall at Source Health Center, and we're going to talk about children's health. As a chiropractor, I have treated many children, and what's amazing to me, out of all the people that I treat, children seem to respond very well with chiropractic. I've had many incidences of child's getting rid of maybe learning disabilities, digestive troubles, an inability to walk had been one that had responded really well with care. The problem with giving you this information is that there's no particular protocol in chiropractic to basically deliver health care to children. There's been a lot of studies with bedwetting, with asthmas, and there's been generally just that. So we don't really, as a profession, we really don't have the abilities nor the resources to really look into these studies. However, over time, I've seen that it worked very, very well. And I think the reason is that a child, when they're born, their health is so vibrant. It's really always nosing to become better. And just a simple adjustment in some cases would be some static that the body had to deal with, and just by eliminating that, you can see a shift. Children these days are having more health problems than in my time, and one of those reasons is the most overlooked things is the foods that they're eating. So there's a lot of great tests out there. You can do a blood spec test. It's about $250. Sometimes there's a certain food that may be causing that. I've seen that involved with children with asthmas, sleep disturbances, colds and flus. Another thing about children overall is, they're very hard to diagnose compared to an adult. When you do the lab testing, the numbers are never quite right because children are developing so rapidly. So they're a challenge with healthcare. And the thing is a lot of times I've seen with my patients, they have problems. They'll go to the pediatrician and they may not get all the answers. I just want you to know your children is very, very healthy. You just have to figure out what is the underlying cause to that. When they eat a certain food, do you notice their behavior changes? That would be a good involvement. A lot of times you'd be surprised that maybe what they're eating may be causing some of their problems. And it's a very easy thing to try to find out in the household. So overall, with children's health, I've seen children respond very well to alternative care like massage, acupuncture, chiropractic, changing diet, finding foods that cause interference, and at the same time, a mother just observing a little bit more. I find that mothers are generally the best doctors for them. And pursue, if your child isn't doing really well, then always get a second opinion. So children a lot of times aren't really represented very well in United States healthcare. So I hope this finds you well. I hope that your children are healthy, and for anything we can do, call the office. Maybe we can direct it to the right people. So we'll see you next Tuesday.